Good afternoon. Tuloy po natin mag-ibigan yung sa about wisdom. So, Psalms 34:11 says, "Come, my children, and I will teach you to fear the Lord." So the next question is, how can we have, what is the benefits of fear, or what is the blessing we can have if we fear the Lord? So the blessing is wisdom, according to Proverbs 1:7. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So it's very nice, my dear friend, that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So how can we have, or what are the benefits if we have wisdom? So my dear friend, if we have wisdom, so whatever the problem is, so we can nicely, or we can easily solve whatever the problem is because of the wisdom given to us by our God Almighty. So remember, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So the father of King Solomon, King David, said in 34:11, "Children, come, and I will teach you the fear of the Lord." So how nice, my dear friend. Then King Solomon, the son of King David, said, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom." Also, remember that one. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. I mentioned, my dear friend, that wisdom is very important to all of us. So because through wisdom we will be wise. So how good if a person is wise, because he can deal whatever the problem in life, and he can be a blessing, a channel blessing to many of our fellow men. That's because of wisdom. So we talk about later about budgeting, with the example of 10K. For example, you have 10K. What will be the proper distribution of that 10K? So 1K, 10% of 10,000 is for the work of God. And maybe we'll add that we can give 100 for offering, because tithes and offering. So maybe that is good if we will do it, my dear friend. So 100, so 900 maybe for giving to others, because the more you give, the more you receive. 1,000 will be for savings, for emergency and savings. So 7,000 is all yours. And that 7,000 will be distributed Meralco, lahat na bells.